Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of the most incredible ant species in modern ant keeping, the native harvester ant, often called savage harvesters. These ants are famous for their fast development and fascinating colony dynamics. If you've ever wanted to build a thriving ant colony from scratch, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from the day your queen arrives to managing a massive colony of thousands. Let's start with what makes these ants so special. Native harvester ants show incredible differentiation among their workers. As the colony grows, you'll see new workers with much larger reddish-brown heads and powerful jaws built for foraging and defense. But when they're first born, their heads are a pale yellow, gradually darkening as they mature. Watching this transformation is one of the coolest parts of keeping them. It's like seeing your colony evolve right before your eyes. When your queen first arrives, the first thing you need to do is a careful inspection. Check her head, thorax, abdomen, and legs. But pay closest attention to her antennae. A queen can survive with one damaged antenna, but if both are broken, she'll lose her ability to sense her environment and won't make it. Don't worry if her wings are broken. Many queens chew them off after their nuptial flight. Your goal is just to make sure she's healthy and ready to start her new family. Next up is setting up her first home, the test tube. You'll need to create a water reservoir at one end. A depth of about 1 to 3 centimeters is ideal, depending on your local climate. More water means the nest stays moist for longer, sometimes up to 3 months. I highly recommend using PVA cotton instead of regular cotton balls. Regular cotton fibers can get tangled in the ants' tiny legs or get chewed through, creating a mess and potential danger. Once your tube is ready, gently guide the queen inside and keep her in a warm, dark place. Ideally between 28 and 30 degrees Celsius, this stable temperature is key to encouraging her to lay eggs. In about 2 weeks, you should see the first signs of life as those eggs hatch into tiny larvae. Now, let's talk about food. Protein is absolutely essential for the growing brood. Soft-bodied insects like chopped-up roaches or crushed mealworms are perfect. Just remember to feed in small amounts and always remove any leftovers the next day. This is super important to prevent mold from growing in the test tube, which can be fatal to a young colony. Once you have about 20 to 30 workers, your colony has officially entered its founding stage. Harvester ants have a powerful foraging instinct, so consistent feeding is crucial. If they don't get enough food, it can lead to stress, worker-on-worker aggression, or even cannibalism. As your colony grows, you might want to combine smaller colonies into one larger one. This can be tricky, but there's a technique that works wonders: temperature manipulation. By lowering their environment to around 20 degrees Celsius, the ants become much slower and less aggressive. This makes merging them much safer. You can then gently combine them into a single, clean container. A quick tip here: avoid pheromone contamination. Never put ants back into their original tube once they've been moved. Always use fresh, clean tubes and a funnel to guide them into their new home. This minimizes stress and helps the ants accept each other more easily. Now, let's address a common problem called folding. This is when the colony shuts down and the ants stop moving or foraging. It's usually caused by stress from overcrowding, poor ventilation, a lack of humidity, or sudden environmental changes. While harvester ants prefer drier conditions, they still need a moisture source. This can come from a plaster nest, a water reservoir, or the juicy insects you feed them. To encourage your ants to move into their nest, keep their outworld or foraging area brightly lit. Ants naturally prefer darkness, so they'll move into the shaded nest chambers on their own. If you notice the bottom of your nest getting darker, it's a good sign they're settling in. So what happens when your colony gets huge? I'm talking thousands of workers. Advanced keepers can house massive colonies by connecting multiple nests, like plaster or stone tubes. A colony of 10,000 workers might need over 40 interconnected tubes or a large, specialized modular nest. The key to managing a super colony is cleanliness. Keep an eye out for yellowish spots inside the tubes. That's their waste. Regular maintenance is non-negotiable for the long-term health and survival of your ants. It prevents disease and keeps the colony thriving. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, native harvester ants offer an unparalleled experience. Their speed, ferocity, and incredible teamwork make them one of the most rewarding species to keep. With the knowledge from this guide, you have everything you need to raise a powerful and healthy colony, from a single queen to a bustling superorganism. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ant-keeping adventures. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more ant-keeping adventures. See you in the next one.